Hey. Hey. Oh, oh. God damn it. Hi. Hey, nothing. I was just, looking over those files. Oh my god, okay. Okay, let me get Mulder, and we'll be right there. Okay? Alright. Bye.
What was that?
Oh, Mulder, we need to get an alien. There's like an alien. And we need to kill it.
I think that's a really great idea, but can we have sex first?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Alright.
Where'd you park the car?
I don't remember. Let's just take the cat. Oh, here's the car. Here's the car. Oh, here.
Can I still keep the cat?
Hey, let's go for donuts. I got donuts. I got us donuts.
Thanks.
That's good.
Are you gonna drive?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to drive anymore. I'm sick of driving.
Okay. Oh, that one.
What one?
Nothing.
Okay. I gotta pee. Can we stop?
Yeah.
Actually, I changed my mind. We just keep going.
Oh, okay.
I don't have to anymore.
Okay.
When are we gonna be there?
I think we're here.
Okay. Who are we going to talk to?
Shoot. It's supposed to be an alien. It looks like a girl. I think that's her. Wait, I think that's her.
No, this can't be her. She's too hot. And she has nice boobies. Hey, what's going on?
Hey there, sexy. Do you like my breasts?
Yes, I would have to say that I did, but,
I have really excellent breasts.
yes, I think you do.
They're delectable.
We're gonna keep this down. Let's go over here.
Excuse me.
Scully, I think that you need to go check on the donuts in the car. The cat, it fell over, look.
I don't like that bitch. I really don't like that bitch. I think this cat really is okay. I think it's fine. Get up, Kenny. Hey, get this noodle out of your mouth. Oh, Mom was right. There's something wrong with the cat. But I don't like that bitch.
Okay, Scully, I'm thinking that...
No, get out of my face. I'm about to put this bitch in the ground. I can put you in the ground. I can put you in the ground.
Because she has a milk mustache. Yeah. Makes people guilty.
Oh, I just press record.
Yeah. Scully, this is definitely not our suspect. It doesn't really matter. Because, I mean, come on, look. We've seen a rat. Obviously.
She does have a nice rat. Oh my god. Maybe it's her. She's...
No, it's because she has a milk mustache, and we all know that aliens always have milk mustaches. It's the slime, see?
You're right. Oh my god. Let's get her.
On the ground. Scully!
No, it wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Scully, look! The cats are part of it too!
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
That cat didn't have a noodle in its mouth, it's a tongue! No, Scully!
No.
But wait. Scully, are you okay?
Mulder, this isn't...
Wait, the alien.
Oh, right. Hey, you're bad. I'm gonna kill you now.
Bullets don't work, you have to throw stuff at them.
Like what?
The donuts we were eating.
I'll get them. I'll be right back. B.R.B.
Look, I make them really dizzy.
I got donuts. Well, throw them.
I think we beat him, Scully.
Yeah, let's get in the car and go.
Okay. Can we bring my new friend along?
Yeah, that's fine.
Because I guess I was wrong about the milk mustaches.